Steam Deck modded with an AMD desktop GPU turns into a 4K gaming monster. Who's responsible for this? Did Linus do this?
So this one, no.
Linus should have done this. He's late to the party. ETA Prime. Oh, look at these guys. They almost got 1 million subscribers. That's legit.
Yeah, shout out.
What a cool thumbnail to just see the Steam Deck hooked up to a GPU like that.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's cool.
So there's a lot of finagling.
Mm-hmm.
They use the AMD Radeon RX 6900 XT GPU. Uh-oh.
No, just that last clip. So stupid. Anyway, okay. Yes, this is sick.
And since there's no Thunderbolt port, they actually use M.2.
Wow.
The port in there, in the Steam Deck. And
that is nutty.
So overall, spoiler alert, it actually works.
Yeah, it works.
They were able to use the graphics card power to play games in 4K.
So does the Steam Deck have like an HDMI? Oh, no. Okay, so they use M.2 and then they're using the HDMI output from the GPU.
Yes, to stream on the monitor and use a mouse and keyboard.
Right.
So essentially, it's a computer.
Yeah.
The Steam Deck.
Yeah.
With like a GPU attached. And
Wow.
was able to get like over 100 frames on Witcher 3.
This is like this is
4K.
like long before there was a Steam Deck. When I went to CES a billion years ago, and they were talking about Steam machines, little computers that would be optimized for running Steam. And kind of if you put this sandwich together, that's a really small computer.
Yeah. It might be smaller than your studio.
It's similar, I would say. Now, granted, he's just using the GPU out in the open air, so it has plenty of ventilation, and you wouldn't want to slam that GPU into a really tight enclosure. But it is cool to see it operating. Shout out. Congrats.
Yeah.
Nice
look. Look at this Frankenstein setup here.
I love it. Very cool. Inspiring.
Yes.